BMW X3. Let's do a quick replacement on the cabin filter, located right there outside on the cowling passenger side. There's the new one. Let's remove the old one. You don't need any tools. Take that out. There's a little tab right here that you need to pinch. Pinch that. Take out this cover, vented cover. Put that on the side. There's a little tabs right here that you need to pinch out. Just like that. And then this whole thing will come out. Just the cover on the top. Alright, so that's exposed. Get that hose over on the side here. This is the filter. There's two filters on this. I'm just gonna show you what the new one looked like. Made by Fram, Fresh Breeze on this one. There's two different filters on the X3. One located here and the other one's located right in the middle underneath the cowling. So make sure you get the right one for your vehicle. This is what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so this is the top half of the filter. You can see it looks super dirty. It stinks when you turn on the vehicle. The smell is really bad. There's the tabs right here. You need to pinch it out. The first layer of the housing will come out. 4 tabs. There you go. This whole thing will come out. Alright, so this is what the old ones looks like. You can see that is really bad. Look at that. The top layer and then this is the bottom layer. Wow. Super dirty. Alright, so here's the new one. Airflow goes down, so it goes like this. Okay. So the bottom will be right here, and then the top will be on the other side. It goes up like that. Alright, so nice and flush. This one here goes in a housing on the other side. Okay, here we go. Lay that one down nice and snug, and then snap this tabs right here on two in the front and then two in the back. There you go. That's it. The other half will be down here nice and snug. Alright, let's put the cover on. The vented cover is next. There's 3 tabs up on the top here. Make sure you get the tabs in a hole first and then push it to the front after. Make sure that hose right here goes to the slot on that plastic piece. Okay. Press the tabs in. We'll lock in place. And you're almost done. There you go. That's it, guys. That's how you change the cabin filter on your BMW X3. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on the next one.